Hi, my name's Sandhya and I'm on the marketing team here at Glean. Today I'm going to show you how I glean it in Slack. So here in this channel, you can see that I'm joined by our video producer, Alex. And so he's going to ask me a quick question. That's a great question. But let's say I'm a little busy. I'm going to go ahead and ask Glean to answer that. So I'm going to invite Glean to my channel. And now I'm going to ask it the same question. And here, Glean's going to search through my company's knowledge graph and provide an answer. And so first off, it let Alex know that it's shared an answer with me privately, but that he can generate his own answer if he needs to. And it answered the question for me. This message is really important because sometimes you're asking for information that some people in the Slack channel have access to, but others may not. You want to be able to get an answer that is relevant for you, that includes all of your user level permissions and document level permissions. So this allows other people to be able to get that answer, but to make sure that they're restricted to the information that they know. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and ask Glean a different question altogether. Not in a Slack channel, but just in our sidebar. When is the next content sprint end? So once again, Glean's going to search through company knowledge and share a response. There we go. The next content sprint ends on December 1st. And right now we're in sprint 2. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and go over to my app section. I'm going to go down to Glean. And so it looks like Glean actually has a message for me. It's letting me know that I can now turn on a daily digest of the channels I'm interested in. So for example, this is our competitive channel where we share information about what's happening in the industry. And here I'd actually posted about a question I had on a technical topic, and it's letting me know that other people have responded. Now, how this works is that I get to choose the channels for my digest, and Glean delivers it via DM once a day. And that way I can just mute these channels and avoid those distractions throughout the day without having to miss on important information that happens. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up. So as you can see, I'm going to turn on my daily digest that enables me to get a DM every single day with a digest. Now, I don't want just competitive. I want some other stuff in here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and add our Palo Alto office, which is a fantastic channel for our entire team that's based here in Palo Alto at headquarters, but doesn't necessarily have stuff that I need to see all the time. So I'm going to add these two to my digest, and then I'm going to say that I want to receive this at 5 a.m. And then I'm going to say modify. So tomorrow morning at 5 a.m., I'm going to get a message from the Glean app in Slack that says all the relevant updates that I need from the channels that I've chosen. Here at Glean, we believe that you should have the knowledge you need and the data you need wherever you're working, whether that's in your browser, on Slack, on your phone, or your desktop. And that's how we glean it.